Okay, I've got a fairly long to-do list this morning, and I thought I'd take you with me. First thing, I need something to eat. I want to have some brunch, so I'll have something to eat. And then we'll go and pick up my laundry, and then we'll go and pick up a key from my agent for my mailbox that I haven't been able to open for a month. And then we need to go to the travel agent take my passport to the travel agent to get a new visa. And then after that, we'll go somewhere really interesting for coffee. Oh, another 2 people have been found to have the coronavirus in this tower. The swimming pool's been closed for at least a month, and this whole garden area is off limits. No exercise, no nothing. Thank you. So since the lockdown restrictions began, all the hole-in-the-wall diners across the other side of the road have closed. And so, this place the hot kitchen has become my new brunch place. A nice Filipino breakfasty brunch.
Hi!
Hi! And I want the Longsilog. Yeah, so the Longsilog is Longanisa, and it's garlic Longanisa and garlic rice and a fried egg. And it's 109 pesos, which is a pretty good deal. Available until 11 a.m.
This is the favorite restaurant of Sir Marshall.
It's fabulous. This garlic Longsilog is just delicious. It's like a garlic bomb. But if you were going to eat it and then go home to your significant other and spend the rest of the day with them, I don't know if they'd appreciate it. So maybe that's why I'm single.
Hello, sir. Morning. This is your Longsilog.
Longsilog.
Ilocos. Longsilog, Ilocos.
Yum. So we have spicy vinegar sauce, which is really very spicy. And then this mega garlic rice. Well, that was delicious. Transferred that into here. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic, delicious, delicious.
Thank you, sir.
See you. Well, I don't know if you could hear the music. But they were playing Christmas carols. It's the 2nd of September. And in the Philippines, I'm told, there's something called Ber. B-E-R. It's like Burmas. And they start counting down to Christmas and playing Christmas carols, and the decorations will go up soon. On the 1st of September. Hang on. So that's 4 months. A 4-month countdown to Christmas. In Australia it starts on the 1st of December and it kills me. 4 months. 4 months to look forward to. So we're heading to the laundry. I can pick up my laundry, and just across the hall from the laundry is my real estate agent, who I need to see to get the key to the mailbox. Have to take my laundry back up to my apartment, and then I'll book a grab taxi and we'll head to Makati. All right, my Uber's here. Hi. Hi. All right, good. So, we've had brunch, Longanisa, and got the laundry, and got the key, and so now we're taking the passport to the travel agent. And then after that we can relax and have a coffee. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Well, we're here. We have to enter through the back entrance. Going to MR Travel. Level 1, ground. So hopefully I can get a 4-month visa, and hopefully after 4 months I can travel. Hi, how are you?
Hi, sir. Sir Marshall?
I've got to give you
Yeah. For a moment, sir, I'll call Ella.
Oh, okay. They don't like you to come inside. Okay, so they have advised me that I should apply for a 6-month visa, and they're not exactly sure of the cost at the moment, so I'm going to I've given them a 5,000 peso down payment. It could be less. If it is, they'll return the money, they'll return the change to me. So a 6-month visa would take me up to March of next year. And they're also going to check to see what the travel restrictions are from the Philippines to Thailand, because I'd like to go to Bangkok early next year. So they're going to check that for me, which would be great. It'd be interesting. But if I go to Bangkok, then I might not be able to come back. So we'll just have to see how all the rules and regulations work. So I'm just waiting for a receipt now. Just outside the travel agent. That was good timing. Trying to get a white taxi this time. Not a grab, but a white. And we'll head to Greenbelt. So, where's a taxi when you need one? What's going on, Manila? Come on! Hey, do you go to Greenbelt? Greenbelt 5? Yay, Greenbelt 5. This is Greenbelt. This is actually Greenbelt 1. No, I don't think so. I thought this was Greenbelt 5. Oh, Greenbelt 4. So Greenbelt 4 over there. But we're heading this way.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Good morning. Welcome to Ayala Mall.
How absolutely ridiculous. You've got to fill out all your details onto a piece of paper that really, does it go to us? Is it picked up at the end of the day? Does a government van go around to all of these places, picking up all of those little pieces of paper, and then take them back to a place where they're all entered into a central computer system? Anyway, perceptions are everything. So this is Greenbelt. Very aptly named. The concept is that there's Greenbelt 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's 5 buildings that are built in a circle around this absolutely beautiful botanic style garden. And you can grab a coffee and just go for a wander, or you can sit outside a cafe of which there aren't many. So this was Starbucks, that one was Seattle Coffee, just over there was Single Origin Coffee, then there was another place next to it, and so this Cafe Breton seems to be the only survivor. And we all know the French can't make coffee. See if we can find another little coffee house, but it's just lovely to be here. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Hard to believe we're in the centre of Manila. This is Metro Manila, and this is pretty much the centre. I was here about a month ago, I think, and there was a lot more vibrancy about the place. Boy, I mean, just about everything is shuttered. There's hardly anyone here. I've seen one other person who looked as lost as me, so I'm assuming that he was a customer. Wow. Lorenzo's Way, where taste matters. You would think perhaps that goes without saying. Bloom's Cafe and Bar. That looks like a nice place. Well, sit here. It's a bit tempting sitting this close to the whiskey.
I miss you.
Very nicely presented. Cafe latte. This is the sauce. Well, after a pretty nice cafe latte, I'll just continue my wander round. These restaurants are open. Well, no, they're not. No. Oh, there must be so much financial pain all over the world that you sort of don't realise it until you see something like this, where even when the restaurants are open, there's no one in them. There's 3 customers there. There were 2 customers in the previous restaurant. How many customers here? None. Italiani's is normally quite popular. seems to be... Oh, it seems to be maybe 10 customers. Yeah. So yeah, Greenbelt, where we are, is in the sort of wealthy part of Makati, and there are some other nice parks, and there are all kinds of gorgeous restaurants and lovely little cocktail bars. Well, I've had my gorgeous walk around the ghost town that used to be Greenbelt, and hopefully in the not too distant future this fabulous multifarious place will be back to its busy self. And I've managed to knock all the things on my to-do list, to tick all the things on my to-do list off. I've picked up my laundry and I've picked up the key to my letterbox so I can now get all of my lovely bills. I've had a very lovely garlicky brunch, and I just had a very nice coffee and a bit of a chat to the Swedish guy who was sitting next to me. And I've taken my passport to the travel agent and applied for a 6-month extension to my visa, and I've also asked them to investigate when it will be possible for me to get a flight to Thailand. So quite a productive morning, and until next time, stay safe.